Hello everyone! Today we're going to unbox some of my new makeup from Dior. So the other day I took a makeup coaching class in Dior and there were some products that I was introduced to that I really liked and I decided to buy them and open them for you. Okay, so first I'm gonna open the gift that they gave me. So I got a pouch as a gift, which I remember it was a red pouch. Yeah, so this is the red pouch that I got as a gift. As you can see, it's this kind of like vibrant leather-like material. And then inside, I think there are some products. So I'm gonna open the packaging here. Inside there are two products. There's a mini lip maximizer, and I think this is a mascara, a mini mascara in black color. They're really cute, like small items you can put in your bag. So next we have this powder palette, which is kind of to use in, it's called the Nude Radiant Filter. It's to use in like hot or humid climates. If you want to have less sweaty marks or just general marks on your foundation or concealer, this is how it looks like. And then when you open it, inside there's this white powder as well as the mirror here, and then you just dab with a cotton pad and then you can just put it on your face, on your foundation or concealer. So next I got two of these lash maximizers. I'm going to open one of them and we're going to look at them. So based on the description that I got in the store, this is a serum that you can use under your mascara to kind of fortify your lashes and to kind of help with their growth as well. It's got this kind of white consistency. It's a little thick as well, and you just put this under your mascara so that your lashes wouldn't be damaged. Also, you can use this maximizer for your lashes at night as well, on your lashes and both your eyebrows. So it helps with the growth, and it also helps to fortify your lashes and your eyebrows. So next we have this waterproof eyeliner with a creamy texture. The color that I got for this one is kind of like a light blue that was part of their limited edition collection. This is how it looks like. And then this is the really thin tip. And on the hand, you can see the color. It's a very bright blue that you can use in your makeup. Also, this comes with its own sharpener, which is also in the pencil. Lastly, we have this concealer. It's a smaller size. I got in the shade 1N, which is the shade that will match my skin tone. This is how the concealer looks like, and you can also see the applicator here. It's got really good coverage. For me, I don't really like that much like thick coverage, so I think this would be a good choice for me to use lightly on my makeup. So overall, I had really good products from Dior, especially my makeup class was really useful for me. And I hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing my makeup from Dior. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you soon for the next one. Bye!